Hello and welcome to a new lesson. What is novel? In this lesson, we'll talk about origin of novel, meaning of novel, definitions of novel, and evaluation. Let's discuss the topic. The first is origin of novel. The germ or seed of the novel writing lies in the art of medieval romance. Now the question is, what is medieval romance? Medieval romance comes from the words medieval, which is related to the Middle Age in Europe, and romance refers to a tale of love and adventure, because the activity of romance is such that there is not only love involved in it but also adventure, because sometimes people, the society, oppose to the love two partners are devoted to. That is why we call it a tale of love and adventure. Thus, medieval romance is about the story of love and adventure that was popular during the time of Middle Age. This is basically the origin of novel. That is how the idea of novel originated. Okay, now we move on to the next step. Please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. That is meaning of novel. What's that? In 1350, Boccaccio, a famous Italian writer of his time, wrote a collection of short stories in prose. Okay? That collection of short stories, which was written in prose by Boccaccio, that was entitled Decameron. Such stories in Italian language are known as novel, with archaic spelling of novel, E at the end, or novella, A at the end of the word. We continue our discussion. The term novel originally means a fresh story, which is shorter than a novel. A fresh story means a new story about someone or something. People widely believe novel, with this spelling, E at the end of the word, this archaic, old way of writing the spelling of novel. So people widely believe novel is the root source of novel writing. This is basically the literal interpretation of the word novel. From where does it come and what does it mean? Now we move on to the next point of our discussion, that is definitions of novel. F. Marion Crawford, a popular American novelist, once described the novel as a pocket theater containing as it does all the accessories of drama. It's a very beautiful definition. What the novelist means to say is that novel is like a pocket theater. When you go to theater to watch a play, to watch a drama, what do you see? You find that all the characters are playing on the stage, performing their roles, doing actions, and providing you all sorts of entertainment. So when we read a novel, we derive the same type of pleasure when we read pages after pages of the novel. Therefore, we can say that novel is like a pocket theater. Means you carry theater in your pocket. Novel as a form of book is so portable, so easy to carry, that whenever you want to read, you can read and have the same kind of pleasure and entertainment you derive from watching a play in a theater. You can do so while reading a novel. That is the point here. And then we have accessories of drama, means all the elements of drama which you find in a theater can also be found in a novel. That is the point here. Okay? And now we move on to the next point. Meredith, another famous writer, called it a summary of actual life. A summary of actual life means a brief account of real life, a reflection of real life. Of course, novel is all about life, and the better it presents real life, the better the novel is. It gives a fuller representation of real life and character. It provides in detail picturization of a character existing in real life. That is the idea here. We move on to the next point. However, in general, novel is formally defined as a long narrative. Long narrative means to tell a story. So in novel, what do? We tell a story, but the form of saying the story, the form of telling a story is very long, not short. We continue. In prose, detailing the actions of fictitious people. And novel is a form of prose art, not poetic art. So novel is a type of long narrative. It details, means it provides you the detailed information of actions of people, not the real people. The real people are the inspiration, but we change those real people into fictitious forms, into a story form. So novel basically is a long form of telling a story in which we describe the actions of people, actions of fictitious people in that way in detail. That is basically the idea or point of discussion here. Now we move on to the questions. Question number first. Explain the following terms briefly. Number 1, medieval. Number 2, romance. Number 3, medieval romance. And number 4, novel with the spelling E. Question number 2. Write in detail about the meaning of novel. Question number 3. Write and explain any one definition of novel you like most. Now let's find out the answer. Answer 1 of the question number 1. Explain the following terms briefly. Like medieval. What does it mean? So we can say it is related to Middle Age in Europe. Then we have another term, romance. What does it mean? We can say it refers to a tale of love and adventure. We have another word, another phrase, medieval romance. It is about the story of love and adventure that was popular during the time of Middle Age. And we have the last, novel with the spelling E. It's archaic spelling of the word novel written in modern form without E. It is a fresh story which is shorter than a novel. We continue to answer the questions. Answer 2 of question number 2. Write in detail about the meaning of novel. The term novel originally comes from Italian language. It is known as novel or novella. It means a fresh story, that is, a new story. It is shorter than a novel. People widely believe novel is the root source of novel writing in English literature. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.